trying over here.
Oh my god, that's your mum. That's your mum.
What?
Boys. What have I said about you playing late?
Oh my god, we're gonna die, we're gonna die.
Asking for a late night snack. Now, what would you like?
Roan? Can we just get some pizzas?
I'll run to Domino's now.
Cheers, Mum.
Love ya. Thank you, Miss Stevensons.
Mate, why did you hide?
It's 3 a.m. I think Mum's gonna kill us.
Nah, mate, she's cool with us staying up late. It's fine.
God, I want to come here more often. Bloody Nora.
Why? What had your mum done?
Oh, mate, I'm just glad she isn't here.
Oh, God.